Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nuranissa, and in this my video I will explain you about modals, especially can and could. So, if you want to know more, please follow me till the end. Okay, today we will learn about can and could. These two words are very common and important in English language. Can and could are difficult words to remember. In fact, these two words might be the first thing you learn when you start to learn English. Can and could have many different uses and can be used in many different situations and sentences. Okay, let's look at different uses of can and could. The first, can. Can shows the ability over possibilities, requests, and permission. And the second is could. Could also shows ability, possibilities, request, permission but of the past, and could also use for making suggestion. Now, let's look at examples of each category of can. Can shows ability. For example, I can speak 3 languages. The second example, she can play chess. Can show over, for example, can I help you? I can send this letter for you. Can possibilities, for example, the first, smoking can cause cancer. The second, it can get very hot in summer. Show permission, for example, can I borrow your book? The second, can I speak to Karina? So, can refers to the future if it is followed by a time word, next week, tomorrow, and the other. For example, I can do it for you next month. Now, let's look at example of each category of could. So, before we look at example, let me tell you this. Good is more polite when making requests or suggestion, asking permission, showing possibilities and ability. Could show ability. For example, I could play a guitar when I was a child. The second, I could smell something burning. Could show suggestion. For example, I could help you with English if you want. The second example, we could go for a walk after work tomorrow. Could show possibilities. For example, a lot of crime could be prevented. The second, you could have called me for help. Could show request. For example, could you hand me the pencils? The second, could I go to the park? Could show permission. For example, could I borrow your book? And the second, could I speak to Mary? The negative can change to cannot, could change to could not. They are different because cannot means you're saying that you're not gonna able to go swimming later, but could not means you're saying that you didn't get a chance to go swimming earlier. Cannot is present tense and could not is past tense. For example of present, I cannot go to your party because I have school tonight. For example of past, I could not go to your party because I had school yesterday. So, those were the differences examples of can and could. Please didn't be puzzled. Can and could be understood very well with frequent use and practice. If this video helped you a little, please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.